Hey, hi guys. Good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening too.
Yeah, so guys, what we had completed last class.
Transaction management using Jdbc.
Transaction management. Yeah, it means JDBC has completed, right?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, then can we move to the servlet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are completed, guys. JDBC has completed last what we had completed last class till that you are completed all those things.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So my screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, tell me actually before go to the Servlet, what are the technology we had completed and what is which technology, what is the purpose we need to recollect, guys. So why we need to go for to that what guys Servlet, right? So we already completed Java and JDBC. Why we need to go for to that what guys Servlet? So you should be tell me guys what is Java and what is the purpose of JDBC and what is the purpose of Servlet, guys. Tell me if you know.
The purpose of Jdbc is to connect the database and
Okay,
Java.
okay. JDBC is that connecting to the database. So that is the purpose we can use to that what JDBC technology. What is the purpose of Java?
Java.
What is the purpose of Java?
Java has many purposes, right?
Tell me what are those.
For example, to create projects.
Yes. That's all.
Create an application.
Yeah, Java is used for creating that application.
Yes.
What is the purpose of them servlet?
To manage transactions.
Okay. Yeah, can you give me at least 3 points? Can you give me you can talk about to the Java, JDBC and servlet, guys. Why we need to go for to the Java? Why we need to go for to the JDBC? Why we need to go for to that servlet? There is a some what guys advantages is there, right? And there is a some special things is there by using to that Java, JDBC and servlet. So can you talk about at least 3 points of all the three things Java and JDBC servlet?
Tablet, I don't know.
Servlet you don't know?
No.
Okay. So can you talk about the Java now?
Jdbc.
No, 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 no. Can you talk about Java first for Java?
Core Java.
Yeah.
The purpose include to create I mean inheritance,
Mm-hmm.
encapsulation,
Mm-hmm.
multi-threading.
Yeah, that is concept. There is what you are saying, that is a concept that is available into the Java, right, guys? So why we need to learn to the Java after, and why we need to learn to the JDBC? So I'm asking to that word, guys. Few points of the Java, few points of JDBC, and few points of what guys Servlet. You don't know?
Why we need to learn Java
Yeah,
is, for example, to create a website,
create a
create an
website,
application.
then we can learn to the Java, na? That's all.
Yes,
Mhm.
it's one of the purposes.
Okay. Yeah, you can see here, guys. Not like that. You should be talk about at least 3 points of what guys Java, JDBC, and Servlet. I will tell you. Please listen here. First of all, Java is a what guys? Java is a programming language. Programming language, right? And it is used to develop what guys? Standalone standalone application. What type of application we can develop, guys? By using Java, what type of application we can develop?
JDBC.
No, we can develop the standalone application, guys. Java is a programming language. It is used to develop standalone application. Means this is that what guys? Java is a what programming language. You should be tell Java is a programming language and it is used to develop a standalone application. Uh, Standalone application purpose we can use to that word, guys. Java programming language, right, guys? So by using Java, what type of application we can develop, guys? We can develop to the Java by using Java. First one is that what, guys? We can develop as a what we have to call it. There is a standalone application. We can develop what, guys? Standalone application. Standalone application we can develop, and what, guys? Mobile based application we can develop, and what, guys? Next, web based application. Web based application we can develop, standalone application we can develop, mobile based application we can develop, and what, guys, what is that next? Web based application we can develop to that what, guys? Java, right? So you people can tell me, guys, what is the purpose of JDBC now? JDBC, what is JDBC? Tell me, guys,
Okay.
what is JDBC?
Java database connectivity.
Yeah, can you talk about the JDBC at least 3 points, guys? What is JDBC and why we need to use to learn to the JDBC?
JDBC is an application.
JDBC is the application, huh? JDBC is a technology, guys. What is this? Technology. First of all, JDBC is a one of the technology, guys, right? And by using JDBC application, by using JDBC technology, we can connect with the database, guys, right? By using JDBC technology, we can connect with what guys? With the database, right? And
Yes.
JDBC also is that standalone application or web-based application we can develop, guys. It can be support what it is going to connecting with that what guys, database only. So that is the reason it is doesn't have to that any what guys, it doesn't have to that any URL path. So it by using JDBC also we can develop what guys, only standalone application used to connect with the database only. Right, guys? You should be tell what is the difference between Java, JDBC, and Servlet. If anyone asks, then you should be tell Java is a programming language. It is used to develop what guys, standalone application, and by using Java, we can develop several type of application, that is standalone application, mobile-based application, web-based application, and what guys, we can develop that different types of application we can develop by using Java programming language, guys. Right? It is a Java is a fundamental. It is going to providing fundamental of that what guys, for that advanced technology fundamentals. It is going to provide into that advanced technology, guys. So if we want to understand to that JDBC, we should learn to that core Java first. If we want to learn to that Servlet, then we need to complete that Java as well as JDBC, guys. So Java is that what guys? Java is a fundamental of that advanced technology. By using Java, we can develop what guys, standalone application, right? So, and what is JDBC? If anyone asks that what is JDBC, then you should be tell JDBC is a technology and it is a part of that only Java, guys. JDBC also one of the part, guys. Guys, here is that Java, JDBC, Servlet comes under what, guys? Only part of that Java only. It is not a separate concept, guys, right? But that terminology was divided. That is what, guys, Java, core Java. There is a terminology what we have to divide it, guys. Core Java, JDBC, and Servlet. It is divided into three parts, guys. But it is that these three things comes under what, guys, Java only, right? So you people can check here, guys. By using Java and JDBC, there is a purpose is there, guys. If I want to develop as a standalone application, then we can use to that word, guys, Java programming language. What is the purpose of JDBC is nothing but JDBC used to we can connect with that word, guys, database, right? We have a multiple database is there, guys. That is Oracle database, MySQL database, MongoDB database. See, MongoDB database is that there we can call as a NoSQL database, guys. Then by using JDBC, we can connect with that different types of databases, guys, by help of that JDBC technology. Okay. Then what is the purpose of servlet, guys? If I learn to that Java and JDBC, can we develop a web-based application, guys? Web-based application. What is that web-based application? A web-based application is nothing but a application which is running in that server, guys. Then we can call as a web-based application. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to give in. I'm going to using this is that one of the what, guys, domain, right? This is that one of the domain. This is the domain. Softlandcity.com is that one of the domain I'm going to give in. When I'm going to hitting to that what, guys, softlandcity.com, at that moment there is a one of the page. It is going to there is a one of the page what, guys, it will be opening to that what, guys, there is a index page. We can call as a what, guys, index page. So that page can be running inside that my current system. It is going to running or this application running in the inside the server, guys. Where it is going to running? Yeah, this application running inside that server, guys. So that is the reason we can call what, guys? This is that application we can call as a what? Web-based application, guys. So we are going to developing to that now. What type of application, guys? Already we had completed Java and we had completed what, guys? Jdbc. But it is not able to possible to develop what, guys? Web-based application. If I want to develop a web-based application, then we can go for what, guys? Servlet technology. See here, Java is that programming language. Java is a programming language. Jdbc is that technology, and Servlet also technologies, guys. Guys, you are getting or not? What is the purpose of Java, and what is the purpose of Jdbc, and what is the purpose of Servlet? Tell me, guys. Servlet is a technology. Servlet is a technology. It is used to develop what, guys? It is used to what type of application we can develop? Static application and dynamic web application we can develop, guys. By using Servlet, Servlet is a technology. It is used to develop static web application and dynamic web application, right? There is a two types of application we can develop by using what technology, guys? Servlet technologies, right, guys? So you people can tell me, guys, when we are going to developing to that, when we are going to learning to that Java, then our application started from where, guys? Execution started from where? What we have to require? If I want to run my application, what we have to require that application inside the Java or JDBC? When we are going to developing a Java application or JDBC application, if I want to run that application should be required to that what, guys? Main method is required, because of that application started with what, guys? Main method onwards, that application which will be executed, that application, that is Java or JDBC. But coming to that Servlet, guys, Servlet is doesn't have to that main method. Servlet is that what, guys? That application is running into that where? That application running into that server, but that Servlet application doesn't have to that main method. And Servlet, by using Servlet, we can develop what type of application, guys? Static web application and a dynamic web application, guys. We can develop it. So immediately you can get that what is static application and what is dynamic web application. You can get that questions. Yes or no, guys? Right? So yeah. So static application is nothing but static web application is nothing but, guys, if we go to that what newspaper, guys, currently today newspaper, if you see at morning 6 o'clock and at evening 6 that entire day, if you go to that any what, guys, news related things, if you see to that any website or any paper, then that what, guys, news it will be changed, or that news not able to change that entire day, guys. Sorry,
it will change.
will be changed, that you are received that news is that morning, but that news it will be changed with that next day it will be changed, or that within the same day it will be changed, guys? See here.
Change next day.
Next day it will be changed. See, now we can come into that where, guys? You can come into that my application. This is that application, guys. Softlandcity.com is that application. So in this application, when I am going to hitting to that what, guys? This is that my learning.php is that one of the page is there. When I am going to see these things, see or else I will go to that word, guys. There is a interview questions is there. What is my interview question? I will go through that word, guys. Yeah, Java. See here, guys. How many times I see this questions? It will be changed or that same, guys. I'm going to give into that interview questions. These questions I'm implemented inside this page, guys. This is that running inside the server. So this is that answer is changed or it is always what, guys, not able to change.
To change.
It will be changed. Where it is going to change? This is that what, guys? This is the answer is not able to change until I change this what, guys, in my development. This is that content. It's not able to change there, right, guys? Then this kind of application we can call as a what, guys? Static web application. A application which is not able to change that content, then we can call as a what, guys? Static web application. Guys, are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the example? Can you tell me others example? Anything is there?
Something you can change.
Sorry? I'm not able to get you.
Example of static.
Static?
Yes, you said.
Yeah. Static web application examples. I said you there is a one of the yeah. I required a few example of that static application.
For example, in mathematics.
Mathematics. See here.
Algebra.
Yeah. If you check to that what, guys, any banking application as a SBI login page is there. I'm going to opening it. See here, guys. So when I'm going to hitting to this request, that request it is going to showing what, guys. I'm going to click onto that login, and it will be showing to this, guys. See here, guys. There is a what about online SBI, right? Net banking branches, right? So when I'm going to opening this page, that always there is a what, guys. This is that what, guys, we can call as a what, a logo of that SBI bank, guys. This is the logo. It will be changed every time, or that logo always same, guys.
It's always same.
Always same. But coming to that what, guys, there is a home page is there. Home page is there. Contact page is there. And what, guys? Yeah, see here. This is that home page, right? When I'm going to click onto that home page, this is the content is that always same or it will be changed, guys. Home page.
Same.
Yeah, same. Nothing but which is not able to changed, then we can call as a what, guys? Static web application, right? Now tell me, guys, what is web based, what is dynamic web application? Application which is not able to change to that what, guys, content, then we can call as a static web application. Then what is what is dynamic web application, guys? A application which is changed to that content or anything, it is changed to based on time, then we can call what, guys? dynamic web application. Then what is the example of the dynamic web application, guys? Tell me. What is that real-time example of the dynamic web application? Go ahead, guys.
I can't remember.
You are not able to understanding? A application which is change the content based on the time, then we can call as a web dynamic web application. Guys, in real time scenario, you are what guys? You have a account, right? And your account balance always same, or it will be changed, guys. Day by day it is going to change. Tell me.
Yes.
It will be changed. It will be that account balance, it will be increase or decrease, it will be happen, or it is always same.
It will change.
It will be changed, right guys? Then we can call as a, that application we can call as a what guys? Dynamic web applications only. And come to that, there is a what guys? Book my show is that one of the application is there, guys. I'm going to open into that book my show. See here, guys, that application having to that what? There is a, based on the time, there is a what guys? Tickets is there, right? There is a three shows is there, 3 or 4 shows is there, guys. So based on that ticket, always it will be what guys, same, or it will be fulfilled, guys, every day.
Fulfilled.
Yeah, I'm going to see here, I'm going to select it to that what guys, 3 tickets I'm going to selecting. When I'm going to opening to that seats, then it is always is to the same place, it will be available for me, or it is in, must be changed based on days, guys, because of others people also can select that ticket, right guys, reserved the tickets. Then my same place it will become, or different place also it will become, guys. Different place it will become. Yeah, because of that application can access to that multiple users, and they will reserve to that tickets, guys. And who are going to reserve that first in first out, then that what guys, they will allocate it to that seats, guys. But this kind of application we can call as a static application, static web application, or static dynamic web application we can call, guys. Tell me.
For example, the cost of every movie.
Yeah, then we can call what? Static web application or dynamic web application.
Dynamic.
Yeah, dynamic web application we can call. So if I want to develop a dynamic web application or a static web application, then we can go for which technologies, guys? Is it possible for to that by using Java? Is not possible. By using Jdbc it is possible? No, it is not possible. If I go to that Servlet technology, then we can develop what, guys? Static web application or a dynamic web application we can develop. Guys, you are getting the clarity of that these three things are not, guys. Can you tell me?
Yes.
You are clear in that?
Yes.
Yeah. And you can observe that, guys, you should be observed when we are going to developing to that application inside that Java. At that moment there is a main method is required, and when we are going to developing to the JDBC application also, inside JDBC application also required to that main method. But when we have to go to that Servlet technologies, that Servlet technologies doesn't have to that main method, guys, because of there is a what, guys, there is a Servlet containers is there, guys. container it will be take to that what guys, executing to that our application, and that application can be started with what guys, there is a multiple folders and files it will become guys. How? When we are going to creating a project, at that moment that project folders and structure it will become into that where guys, in that servlet. And that servlet, how we can develop into that servlet and what type of application we can develop, we can go through this guys now today, right? So if I want to develop a web based application, what is the technology we have to require guys? We have to complete. If I go to that servlet technology, you should be complete what guys, core java we should be complete, and jdbc you have to complete. What is the purpose of core java? We can develop to that what guys, web based application we can do it. And what is the purpose of jdbc? By using jdbc we can connect into that what guys, database. Then by help of that servlet technology we can connectivity with what guys, what database also. What are the operation we had done into that where guys in jdbc, same operation we can implement into that where guys, by using help of what, servlet technology. And that application, this application when you are going to implement into that servlet application, that application we can run into that where guys, in server. We are not able to running into that where guys, inside that our current machine, that there is a separate server we have to require. That server, that application should be deploy into that what guys, there is a server is there. What are the server is there? There is a multiple server is there guys. Tomcat server guys, you heard that word, tomcat server?
What, sir?
Servers, do you heard that word? Servers, tomcat server, jboss server, did you heard that
No.
word? No? Yeah. So guys, our application should be run into that servers guys. So that what that application we can create, and we can first of all what guys, that start how we can implement into that static web based application, and that application how we can run into that server, we can check with that guys. Okay. So for that purpose, I'm going to creating to that one of the servlet application, guys. I'm not able to gone through that what guys, servlet, actual servlet. I'm not able to introduce today, because of there is some basics we have to know, and what are the folders and structures. That folder where it is going to started, that servlet technology where it is going, and what are the issues it will become. We can learn to that where guys, into that first application. After that we can go to that actual servlet guys. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to that where guys, where is my eclipse? I'm going to the, see here guys, this is that my eclipse folder, sorry, eclipse id. So I'm going to creating, see guys, in your eclipse there is a how we can create to that what guys, servlet application. You should be concentrate here guys. So I already given to that what guys, our servlet content also here. So if you want to know that thing, then you can go and check here also guys. I'm going to give in where, see, this is that what is Java my learning slash, and we can open to that what guys, there is a course, open to that what guys, servlet. It will be ask password guys, right? Yeah. So you people can open these links, then it will become guys, what is servlet, and what is the how we can implement into that servlet. But before go to these things, then how we can create a servlet static web application, and what is the folders and structure, and how we can you what guys, install to that server as a externally, and how we can what guys, run our application, I will show you. See here guys, you people can read it. Servlet is a Java programming language class used to extend that capabilities of Servlet that host applications accessed by means of a request response programming model. They are commonly used to access or store a Java object into database, provide a what is dynamic web content, and manage state information across multiple requests, guys, right? So I will, this is the things I will tell you guys how it is going to happen by using to that Servlet, but I'm going to creating to that word, guys, Servlet program. You people can check here, guys. First of all, this is that Eclipse ID. There is a word, guys. You should be click. This is that prospective. We can call as a prospective. See, open prospective. How it is going to opening to that? See, this is that open prospective. You can click to that word, guys. There is a Java. By default, it is that Java. Yes, Java double E is there, guys. Java double E means enterprise editions is there, guys. So we need to go to that word, guys. We need to select as a not Java, guys. We need to select as a Java SC. So we need to open it and see, and I'm going to creating to that word, guys. How I'm going to creating to that Java Servlet application. You people can check here, guys. There is a file new, and you should be select what, guys. There is a what dynamic web application, guys, visible, right? File
Yes.
new and dynamic web project, guys. You should be select it. I'm going to selecting to that dynamic web project, and we should be give to that word, guys, our project name. I'm going to give an word, guys, first servlet. First servlet. My application name I'm going to give in, and it is asking to that word, guys. There is a, this is a Tomcat server, guys. This is that asking to that Tomcat server, guys. Initially we should be what, guys, configure to the Tomcat server. Before these things, you should be installed to the Tomcat server, guys, in your machine. I'm already installed what, guys, my Apache Tomcat server, where it is available. You people can check here, guys. There is a, see, this is the Tomcat server, guys, Apache Tomcat server. Okay, you should be installed to the Tomcat server from to that browser, guys. Okay, or else I will share you that server, guys. No need to worry. So after that, what we have to do, we can configure here, guys. See here, there is a environment is there, right? If initially it is not able to come as a Tomcat, we need to give that what, guys, location where our what we have to call server available. That location we need to give here. Then it will be what, guys, configured to that Tomcat server. So after that, we need to go to that what, guys. We are not able to do anything. We need to click to that next button, src Java, and there is a what, guys, generate a web.xml file, guys. This is that one of the file. It will become, you should be check, guys. This is the checkbox we should be check. Otherwise, there is a, if you are creating to that project, there is no use for to that servlet web application. So once that checkbox is that checked, then we should be click on to that finish button, guys. Then it is going to creating to the Servlet application. It will be take some times, guys. See here where it is going to taking, sometimes it's not able to taking because of based on that internet. It is going to taking to the time, guys, right? So I'm going to creating to that server what, guys, what we have to call it, Servlet application, and you can click on to that here, guys. Then there is a folders and structure, it is came here. So in that, initially we should be, see, guys, there is a deployment descriptors is there, guys. That deployment descriptors, what, guys, we can call as a multiple files and folders is there, and I will explain you guys what are those things. I will explain you later. Before that, we should be go to that word, guys. There is a what we have to call src folder, there is the same Java resource is there, Java main, it is doesn't have anything, and libraries is content to that word guys, jar files it can be having, and there is a word guys, one more folder, that is src folder is there, and main folder is there, and inside that main folder there is a web and web apps guys. This is that important folder guys. This is that web app is that very important guys. Inside that web web apps there is a word guys, web inf. Web inf is that one of the folder is there guys. This is that folder we have to required if you want to run our application, then web inf folder must and should required guys. What it is having to that web inf folder is nothing but there is a library folder is there, and one of the file is there guys, that is web.xml is that one of the file. Then what is the purpose of that web.xml file is nothing but our execution started from to that where guys, web.xml file only. Guys, you are getting or not? Our application, when you are going to running to that my application, that controller is nothing but a container, it will be servlet container is there guys. First of all, servlet is that one of the API, and that API we can use to that developing what guys, standalone application, static web application and dynamic web application. But that application doesn't have to that any main method guys. See here, it is doesn't have to that main method. See, do you have, there is a Java, this is the Java, but there is no classes, right guys? This is that src main Java, but it is doesn't have to that classes, it's not able to create it. We need to create guys, we need to create as a inside that src folder, we need to create again what, class name. But you people can check here guys, by using Servlet what type of application we can develop guys, tell me how many types of application we can develop?
Static and dynamic.
Yeah, static web application we can develop and dynamic web application we can develop guys. So first of all I will show you what is static web application. Static web application is nothing but what we have if I want to develop as a what guys, we have to require to that you what guys, core Java knowledge we have to require, Jdbc knowledge we have to require, and there is a front end technologies to what guys, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Do you have idea guys? It is HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Sorry, JavaScript.
No, sir.
You don't have to that, right? So you people can check here guys. I'm already given to that. This is that word guys. This is that one of the page. This is that you people can check here guys. Servlet.php is that one of the page guys. And if you open to that word, any page, if I click to that what, if I click, this is that SBI banking application guys. When I am going to click onto that credit card, then you people can check here guys. See, this is that online SBI data. Yes,
I can see what you're doing.
my screen not visible.
Yes, right now it's this one.
Yeah, see here guys, this is that
I
my,
was only seeing this.
sorry.
First time I was only seeing the application Java.
Yeah, now visible right now.
Yes.
Yeah, see here is, this is that web application, this is that one of the application guys, and web application is nothing but multiple HTML pages guys. Simple, multiple HTML pages. What is that multiple HTML pages? I will show you guys. See here, there is a web and web NF is that one of the folder is there, right guys? So how we can create a what guys, HTML page? You should be concentrate here guys. Click on to that web inf folder, right click on to that web inf folder, and you can select to that new, and there is a word guys, HTML file is there, right guys? HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript file also is there, JSP file also is there, guys. See here, JavaScript, JSP. This is the technology. This is the front end technologies. We can call as this is the front end technologies, guys. Okay. HTML. What is front end technology? See what we are going to seeing into that browser. That is all those things we can implement it in where, guys? In HTML pages only. Front-end technologies only. What are the front-end technology? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and JSP also comes under what, guys? Front-end technologies only. So I'm going to creating to that word, guys. HTML page now. See here how I'm going to creating to that HTML page. See where it is going to creating inside that. You can't see here.
No.
No. Why?
I don't know. I can see your actions.
Now visible my screen.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. See here, guys, I'm going to creating one index.html page, guys. See, index.html page, guys. You should be aware to that HTML knowledge. So I will explain you that thing. You should be concentrate here, guys. Index.html page I'm going to create it inside that web inf folder. Click on finish. See here, guys. There is a index.html page created. This is that index what, guys? HTML page it is, guys. Do you have did already do you know this code, guys? How we can implement a HTML code? You don't know?
No, sir.
You don't know or no?
No, I don't know.
You don't know, right? Guys, this is that HTML tags, guys. We can call as this. See here. If people can concentrate here, guys, first of all, this is that word, guys. HTML. There is a 5 tags is there, guys. HTML. See, I'm going to remove these things. Control X. See, HTML. This is that open tag. We can call as a open tag, and this is that word, guys. Close tag. HTML open and HTML close. Guys, you should be aware this. HTML. What is HTML? Hypertext markup language, guys. Pages. If I want to run, what we are going to see in this browser, that is that implementation here, guys. In this page only, this kind of pages only. So there is a tags is there, guys. HTML tags is there. That is HTML is that one of the tag. And what is that next tag is there, guys? If people can check here, guys, almost how many tags is there? HTML head tag. Where is that head tag here? This is that head tag, guys. See here. Here is that HTML open, HTML close. And head tag is that open and head tag is that close. Right, guys? There is a body tag is that open and body tag is that close, guys. So what is that HTML? We can implement our code in that where, guys? Inside that body tag only, guys. If you don't know to that HTML related things, then we are not completed that things, right? Because of you are not full stack developer. Even though I will give you, guys, no need to worry. See, first of all, you can understand it, guys. There is a 5 tags is there. What are the tags is there? HTML tag, head tag, title tag, title tag. Yeah, meta tag. You not required to what, guys? Remember title tag and what, guys? Body tag. We can call as it. This is the tags, guys. This is the tags we can HTML tags we can call. If you don't know these things, then we can open to that word, guys. There is a Java T point is there. Yeah, and you can open. There is a word, guys. HTML CSS. You people can. I will show you. You people can check here, guys. What are the tags is there? Where it is? See, we can search as a HTML. 'HTML'. 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 'H See guys, this is that HTML tutorials is there, and open it. See what is that HTML? HTML stands for what guys? Hypertext markup language, and there is a tags is there guys. What are the tags is there? You people can check. What is HTML? HTML stands for, see, HTML is an see, hypertext markup language, and what are the tags is there guys? HTML list, HTML text editor, and build block, HTML introductions. Yeah, we can go down. See here guys, this is the tags. This is that open tag. This is that close tag. This is that head tag. Head tag is that close. Right guys, inside that head tag there is a title tag is there guys. Title tag, inside the title tag, what are the title we have to require, then we can write inside that where guys, inside the title tag. And there is a body tag is there, and body tag is that close, body tag close. And there is a what h1 is that one of the tag is there guys. This is that what guys, text tag is there, heading tags we can call as a heading tag is there guys. That is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. There is a 6 tags is there guys, heading tags. Heading is nothing but, if I want to show, I'm going to running this application, you people can check here guys. This is that online running also, it is available guys. See, this is the code, this is the output. See here guys, I'm writing to that word guys. This is that write your first heading tags. See, this is that showing as a, as a headings only, right? I'm going to changing that tag guys. See, I'm going to changing that tag size. This is that 5 I'm going to give in that size. It will be what guys, decrease. You people can check. This is that size is that h1 tag. I'm going to editing what guys, modify that tag h5, right? I'm going to running this application. Where it is? Is not able to reflect it. Why? Yeah, see here guys, it is reflected. That size is decreased or not guys here. See, I'm going to writing one more h tag guys. H one tag I'm going to writing here. See, what is the purpose of tags? See here, I'm going to using h1 tag. This is that h1 tag guys. So I'm going to decreasing that size. Heading, I'm going to decreasing that headings guys. See here, h3. You can concentrate here guys, because of we are going to developing this page only now. 4 and 4, I'm going to give in 5. See here guys, this is the size of that tags. I'm going to running this application. You people can check. See here guys, there is a h tag, it will become that size is that word guys, big, and it is going to decrease based on that tag sizes guys. h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6 also is there guys.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I can hear your voice.
You can't hear my voice? Your mic isn't work now. Hello.
Sir?
Yeah, audible my voice, right guys? Your mic isn't work. Why? Guys, audible my voice? Okay, I will rejoin, guys. Please give me 1 minute. I will rejoin here. Guys, audible now?
Yes.
Yeah. My screen visible, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is that heading tags, guys. We can call as a H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 is that a heading tags is there. So based on that, if we want to come as a big tags, then we can use to that H1, right, guys? How we can decrease that sizes based on that what, guys? Tags only, right? So there is a what, guys? We can call as a pair tag, guys. Tag open, tag close. HTML is that one of the tag. That tag we should be close. See here, this is that open and close tags, guys. So this is the way we can what we have to do, open and a close tag, guys. See here, what should I to do? I'm going to opening that HTML tag, closing that HTML tag. Head tag I'm going to opening and head tag I'm going to close. But I implement my logic in that where, guys, my content I'm going to implementing inside that body. I'm going to using what tags, guys, here h1. So I'm going to writing to that word, guys, welcome, welcome to software, and I'm going to writing, guys. See, this is that my h1 close tag, guys. See, I'm going to closing it. H1 open and H1 closing. See, this is the way we can word, guys. Writing to that word. Some data also I'm going to copy it here, guys. I will copy later. So yeah, it is done. My HTML page has completed, but this is the page I need to execute it, guys. See how I'm going to execute it, that HTML page here. See, same as like my HTML page I need to run, because of this is that Servlet application, guys. This is the Servlet application we need to run inside that server, guys. Where it is my server? This is the page index.html page we need to give to that where, guys, there is a web.xml file is there. What is the file is there? Web.xml file. We can open to that web.xml file. See here, guys, this is that web.xml file. Guys, you no need to worry about to that this code, guys. I'm going to remove to that entire code. See, 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 guys, this is that what I'm going to opening to that this is the, there is a display name. What is my application name, guys? First servlet name. That first servlet is that application name it is going to came. This is also what, guys, tags only. This is that XML we can call as a XML tags, guys. HTML tag is different, XML tag is that different, guys. Okay, I'm going to close that tags, right? Display name closed. Welcome file list, guys. Welcome iphone file iphone list is that open tag, and we should be closed, guys. This is that also we closed. And web app also, see here, this is that web app, guys. Open web app, and we should be close web app. Open to that display name, we should be close the display name. We should be open to that what, guys, welcome file list, and we should be close welcome file list. And this is, you people can check here, guys, welcome file is nothing but what are the our index file name, guys. What is my index file name here? Index page name, HTML page name. What is my HTML page name? Index dot index.html. That page you should be configure here, guys. That page you should be configure inside that where, guys, welcome file tag only. welcome file tag you should be configured. Then when I am going to running this application, then servlet container it will become inside that directly it will become where guys web.xml file it will become, and inside that web.xml file it will be checked to that what guys what are the we are going to writing inside that welcome file tag. That file is that based on that file. See here guys, there is a index.html is that file. This is that file is available or not, it will be checked here guys. If it is available, then this index.html code it will be executed guys. This index when you are going to developing to that what guys Java or JDBC application, that output where it is going to getting guys inside that console only. That output we are received in where guys inside that console within that Eclipse only. But coming to that where guys inside that servlet, that output it will become onto that browsers guys, browsers where it will become that output it will become onto that browser. Here it will be print guys. I will show you, you people can check. I'm going to running my what guys, this is that application I'm going to running. See how I'm going to running my application, you people can concentrate here guys. Click on first servlet, click on my application name, and there is a run as you should be select to that word guys. There is a Java application is there, run on server. Our application is that web based application, means static application or standalone application guys. Our application running on server or without server guys. See where is my
Server.
yeah server. Sir, where is our server? You people can check here guys. See there is a server, Tomcat server is there. This is the Tomcat server. See here, this is the server folder guys. Servers, it is available that server Tomcat server, right guys. So how we can open to that server is nothing but you can click onto the double click onto there, and it will be open to that what are the server port number it is going to running. That server port number also it will be show. See here guys, this is that 8080 is that my server port number guys. Already you know right, port number of that what we have to call MySQL database port number. What is that guys?
3306.
3306 is that MySQL database server port number. Same as like here also Tomcat server port number is there guys. That is default port number is 8080. So this is that see here guys, that in running environment in where guys Apache Tomcat. This is that Apache Tomcat. It is going to running my application. How I am going to running this application? You people can concentrate here guys. You can right click onto that our project and go to that run as, and there is a what guys, click onto that run on server option guys. Getting it is right? You can click onto that run on server guys. I'm going to click onto that run on server. There is a has been modified that see that is that saved. I'm going to save that file. It is going to running to that application guys. We should be select to that word guys. There is a Tomcat server. Tomcat server I am going to running. Click on finish. Restart that server. Okay, I'm going to click on to that. See here guys, this is the way we can run our application guys. See my application going to running guys. See here guys, what is our port number of that? There is a issues it's getting right. What is the port number of what guys? 8080 is that my port number guys, right? So that is that Tomcat port number. So guys, inside that servlet there is a multiple what guys issues we can get guys. Multiple issues we can get, but we have to require patience resolve these things guys. How many ways we can resolve that issues? See here guys, this is that yeah already this is the application has running. No. Okay, fine. We can check. Because of that server may be running already, then what we have to do, we can stop that server. This is the server, guys. We need to stop here. Here we need to stop. And go to that where, guys, Tomcat server. And we should be change that port number, guys. Tomcat port number we can change, guys. It is possible. I don't want to use this 8080. I need to run to that word, guys. Control S, yeah, Control S. I'm going to change my Tomcat server. What is this? 8082. I'm going to closing this, and again I'm going to running my application, guys. Guys, that Servlet program we are going to facing lot of issues. It is not like a Java and a Jdbc, guys. There is a multiple issues. It will become. We should be resolve those things, and we can go. But no need to worries, guys. It is that very simple, but until completions our resolving to that issues, guys, we should be in work onto that. See here, guys, my application running onto that what 8082, but here is that some issues we are going to getting. What is the issue? You people can check here, guys. There is a what the server did not find that current representation of the target resource are not willing to disclose that one exists, guys. So go and check our where, guys. This is that control yes, control Z, control Z, yeah. So this is that initially it is came, right, guys. So what we have to do, I don't use to that word, guys. There is a this is that folder, this is the file I am going to deleting. And what is index.html, this name and this name should be same, guys, otherwise it will be thrown to that exception only. I'm going to saving this, and before saving we should be what, guys, stop that server. How I'm going to stop? Multiple ways we can stop that server, guys. Click on here and you can stop the server, right? I'm going to stop my server, and I'm going to modification was doing, right? So yeah, I did that my modification, but we need to check there is a index index dot html file, guys. So I'm going to creating, yes, it is that fine. What should I to do? I'm going to running my application again, guys. It will be run on server. Select the server host here. Click on next. This is that my first application. Only one application is there. That is the reason we should be not able to select it. That first cell is required and cannot be removed from that. It is a removed. So come back and click on next. Where it is? No, I'm going to running one more time. Run as server Tomcat. Next, yeah, finish. We can click on finish, guys. Automatically it will be hit to the go to that what, guys, browser, but that browser it is unable to get into that my output, guys. So what should I to do? I'm going to deleting my what, guys, server. I'm going to delete first of all my server here. See how I'm going to deleting my server. Right click, there is a delete. Okay, again I'm going to adding that server, guys. Click on that. See, there is a Apache Tomcat. This is that there is a what, guys, Tomcat 9.0 is that version is there, guys. Tomcat versions. This is the Tomcat versions, guys. First of all, that server is not available, I think. Tomcat server not available. Yes, this is the Tomcat 9.0. Next, finish. Tomcat I added. See here, guys. Tomcat 9.0 version added here. I'm going to running this application again. Guys, this is the way we can The selection cannot be run on any servers. Yeah. So what we have to do? Right click, run on server. We should be select here, guys. There is a Tomcat server. Our application should be run onto that Tomcat server, and first application only, first servlet. Yeah, there is 8080 is that error is there, so it is not available. First servlet is not available, and the origin server did not find a current representation for the target resource, is not willing to disclose that exists, guys. So see, guys, I'm going to getting web apps XML where it is closed. Welcome file index.html index.html. Yeah, we can check it. And guys, where it is, first of all, inside that oh, guys, this is that file we should be creating where, guys? Not, I think it is not web and nf. We should be create inside that yeah, we can check now. Control S, right click, run on server. Conquer, next, finish, rerun, restart server. Index.html page I am not able to configure in correct path. I think we can check. Yeah, it is getting, guys. Guys, this is that output came into that console or browser, guys.
Yes, sir.
Output came where? This is that word, guys. On browser, this is that we can call as a static web application. You can implement where, guys? Here inside that index.html. Go to that index.html and you can write to that word, guys. Option, which is what, guys? Static web application. Right, I'm going to save. Before run this application, see here that it is not able to reflect it, guys. I'm going to see here, refresh that application. Then what we are going to modify that page, index.html page, that is came here, right? So I'm going to what, guys? You can do that multiple things here, guys. See here, I'm going to, this is that use into that one more tag, that is what, h2, means that size it will be decreased, guys. Here,
Okay, 2 minutes, line 2.
sorry, line 2 means I'm going to decreasing the heading. H1 is that means it will be give that word, guys, big size. See here, see, this is that this much big is there, right? There is a size is that big, but when we are going to use into the h2, h2 stand for is not the word, guys. Heading 2 means it will become as a size, it will be decreased, guys. You people can check. I'm going to refresh this application. See here, that size is the same or decreased, guys? Yeah, same as like I'm going to do, we're going to give in what, guys? H3 tag. H3 tag also I'm going to give in here, that H3, it will be give what, guys? Decrease the size. Control S and you can refresh here, guys. See that size is decreased or not, guys?
It's decreased.
Yeah.
So if I want write
Sorry.
new line, it's same heading.
Yeah, you can write here heading H3, you can write anything, new line. Here you can write inside that HTML. Guys, this is that web-based application. Real time we can implement it in our SC here, guys. There is a what we have to call guys, this is the I think which browser it is going to came here. Which browser, guys? This is the browser I'm going to changing. See guys, this is that internal explorer or some default browser it is going to getting, guys. I don't want to use this browser because of I'm going to changing. How we can change? Click on Windows. There is a web browser is there. Which browser I need to take? See here, guys. Internal web browser it is going to taking. Default system web browser it is going to taking for 1. Firefox it will be take for 2. And there is a browser internal explorer for 3, guys, and Microsoft is at 4. I don't want to use to that remaining, guys. I'm going to using Chrome browser. See, and Control S, go and I'm going to running my application again, guys. So what should I to do? I'm going to stop my server and restart my application, guys. Yeah, my server is stopped, guys. We should be there is a server. How that JVM will be started with that main method, same as like we should be start and stop our server, guys. I'm going to right click on that project, run as server. I'm going to running my application, guys. Click to the Tomcat server, next, finish. It will be open into that where, guys, Chrome browser. See here, it will be open to that Chrome browser. See, this is that my Chrome browser, guys. Guys, getting or not? See, guys, this is that
Yes.
yeah, this is that what, guys, this is that also HTML code only. See, this is that HTML code only, guys. I will show you. This is that what I implemented. There also HTML code. See, guys, this is that HTML only. See, where is that? There is a header tag is there. First of all, come to up from starting onwards, guys. See, there is a header tag is there, right? Header tag, and that title tag also is there. If people can check, there is a title tag. This is the title tag, guys. What is the purpose of title tag? Is nothing but if you give to that, there is a, see here, guys, if it is coming what, guys, uh it is going to come showing to that what, soft learn, and you people can check. Yeah, soft learn means there is a, see here, there is a softlearncity.com, softlearncity.com, it is going to showing, right, guys? Two things is there, right? Before the second one is the title, guys. Second one, which one is that showing to that second one? That is that title. What we are going to writing inside the title, it will be showing to that where, guys, here only, right? So same as like I'm going to open into that where, guys, there is a header tag. See, see, guys, this is the header tag closed here. I'm opening to that body tag, right, guys? And see here, I'm going to open into the tag and headers. So I'm going to implementing where is that h1 tag, right? I will show you, if people can check. This is that what, guys, h2 tag, guys, getting or not? So in real time we can implemented our code in where, guys, inside that HTML page only. See, this is that SBI bank also, this is the code is implemented. This is that this all those things implemented where, guys, which file? HTML file only, all those things. Okay, see here, guys, what should I to do? I'm going to give in to that what, I'm going to scrolling this tag, guys. I'm going to last one, I'm going to scrolling. How I'm going to scrolling? You people can check. There is a one what, guys, mark you is that one of the tag is there, guys. You should be used to that mark you tag. Then my line it will be scroll, guys. See, only last line I'm going to scrolling these things. Control S I'm going to doing here and come last and refresh this application, guys. Is not able to hitting, I think. Control S. Yeah, there is a spelling mistake. Mark you. M-A-R M-A-R-Q-U-E-E. Control S. Go and check in browser. Refresh it. See here guys, it is going to scrolling in real time. There is a same thing is that in a SBI banking application they had completed. You people can check here guys where it is. I will show you. There is a home page is there, I think. See here, there is a scrolling line, right guys? That is also they people, all those people also using this tag only. Guys, getting or not it is?
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to apply to that color, then we can apply colors also. There is a what guys, we can use to that what style. Style is that one of the tag is there guys. Style equal to what guys, color red. I'm going to apply into that color red guys. Control S, go and refresh my application. Same, it will become same as like it guys. See, I'm going to refresh it. See,
Yes.
yeah. So guys, if you want to apply to that what, there is a head means one of the what we have to call one of the head means a header. There is a one more tag is there guys, HR means it will be give to that one line guys. See, refresh it, it will be give line. See here guys, this is the way we can give, we can apply to the what guys, colors we can apply for text. For we can apply the colors and if we want to apply to the colors, there is a what guys, CSS we have to require to learn guys, cascading style sheet. Okay, so this is the way we can, this is what kind of application, this is that standalone application, static web application guys. What kind of application it is? Static web application. Yeah. So by help of that Servlet, we can develop what guys? Static application or dynamic web application we can develop guys. But we are not gone through that dynamic web application. If you want to implement to that develop dynamic web application, then we can go through that what guys. There is a Servlet. We need to implement Servlet classes. We need to implement guys. I'm not coming to that. So before that, you should be understand these things guys. So how it is going to executing this application, I will explain you. Please give me 2 minutes guys. Okay, where it is? Yes, see here guys, my file it's not able to see. Yeah, see here guys. So when I'm going to running my application guys, when I'm going to running my application, so first of all, I'm going to right click onto that this what guys, my project, and there is a what guys, run as, we can select to that what guys. There is a Java application is there, run on server option is there, right? When I'm going to click onto that server, run on server, at that moment there is a what guys, servlet container is there guys. Who will going to managing this application is means servlet container. Who are going to managing to that JDBC application guys? JDBC application managing means executing from to that where guys, from that main method, and that main method is nothing but JVM will be executed. But here is that executing started, who will executed guys, servlet container, it will be started. Then when I'm going to running my application, immediately that container will become where guys, inside that web apps, there is a web inf folder, and that container it will become where guys, inside this folder web.xml file it will become guys. What is that web.xml file? You people can check guys, this is that web.xml file. inside that XML file, what we are going to holding this line, guys, it will be check what is the file, that is that classes is there or a file is there, it will be checked. So I'm going to classes I'm going to using or file I'm going to using, guys. This is the HTML files, guys. We can call as a files only. It is class is nothing but this one class, guys. We already know, right? JDBC classes. This is that classes, right? But here is that for this is that file, guys. This is that index files only. Index files, right? HTML files. So it is going to checking, yeah, that index.html file is there. That index.ht, it is going to what, guys, inside that index.html file it will be go, and what it is going to containing to that index.html file. See, guys, this is that HTML file. So it will be running. It will be checked to that what, guys. What are the body part it is going to contain, that body part what we are going to writing inside that body, that line, all the line it will be executed, guys. What you have to run written inside that body part, guys, you are writing to that h1 tag and h2 tag, and there is a what, guys, h3 tags, guys, means heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 tags you are going to return inside that where, guys, index.html. That page will be executed in where, guys, on inside that browser. This is that output going to execute it. As getting or not, it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the way we can develop to that static web based application, guys. Okay, tomorrow we can go through that briefly, what, guys, HTML and CSS and JavaScript, guys. Then we can go through that what, after that we can go to the, we can implement what, guys. Our intention is that not we are not able to develop what, guys, static web application. We can develop to that dynamic web application we can develop. What is that dynamic web application is nothing but this is that dynamic web application means we are going to inserting the data, retrieve the data from database, right, guys? That is that dynamic web application, right? I'm going to showing where it is my, yeah, see here, there is a what, guys, this is that home based keyboard. See here, guys, there is a form is there, right? I'm going to opening, and there is a book now. See, guys, this is that form. This form we can be implemented here, guys. When we are going to send the data, then this data it will be go to that what, guys, WhatsApp. You people can check, will be opening to that WhatsApp only, but it is that validation applied, so that data it will be sent to that WhatsApp, guys. But I don't want to save that data into
Yes.
that WhatsApp. I need to store the data inside that where, guys, database, right? So this kind of application we can implement it, guys. This is that we can call as a web based application, dynamic web application, guys. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah. So today we can stop here only, guys. You can go through that, and you can what you have to do, you can install to that server, guys. Tomcat server you can install externally from that browser.
Can you send me the link?
Yeah, I'm going to show you. Download download Tomcat 9 server. Yeah, this is the page you should be download, guys. 32-bit errors, browsers, Windows. Your system, which one is there? You should be select and you can download it. Okay. Then you should be open to that what, guys, Eclipse, and you should be what, guys, download. There is a your Eclipse. What guys? We have a Eclipse for to that Java J2SC developers guys. J2SC J2SC is that one of the ID is there. Eclipse for a Java developer. There is ID two IDs is there guys. Eclipse for Java developer and Eclipse for what guys? J2SC developers guys. You can select to that J2SC developers, then you can come as a what guys. This is that part it will become prospect it will become, and you can change to that what guys J2EE. See here, this is the J2EE guys, where it is. See J2E enterprise editions is there guys. Okay, this part it is coming or not, you can check in your Eclipse. If it is not able to come, then you can open download to that Eclipse Eclipse for Java EE. Okay, today only I'm implement what guys install this J2EE. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see tomorrow class, guys. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.